turn it into a cutting board. Don't worry, I got the perfect solution.
Are we turning on Spidey?
No, I'm turning on something Christmassy. I'm so tired.
You still watch Spidey, Jacob?
My day was so
First,
busy.
get the fries. Now you gotta chop it up.
Are those clean or dirty?
Mommy, I did not let me have a bite.
I know. I'm heating up your dinner. Hold on.
I know.
We're gonna buy this waffle fry. Also, buy this on Amazon. Please buy this on Amazon.
Wait a minute. Here, you want some grapes? Go sit at the table.
Alright,
Hold
sit
up.
on the table.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, here we go, guys. Ugh. Mom, can you help me?
No.
Please?
I'm doing my own thing.
Please?
I mean, not my own thing. I'm cooking for you guys.
Please, can you shred this down? Please? Please, Mom? Please?
Can I what?
Can you run the waffle fry? Also, I'm recording you for the chef.
I'll try. Where are you going?
Go to the bathroom. Okay, first I gotta get my tray. And next we gotta preheat the oven.
Hold on. Get it with a spoon. Don't dump it over. Abby, thanks for being such a great listener.
Now that we're done preheating the oven, it's time to go.
Mommy is.
That's not a spoon.
Now it's time to test my superpowers. If you guys want superpowers, subscribe. Here we go, guys. Call it super speed. Here we go. You guys saw that?